Good morning, children. This is the 18th chapter of EVS Save the Earth. How can we save Earth? We live on planet Earth. We get everything for our life from the Mother Earth. We should save our planet Earth to ensure that our future generation get a safe environment. We can save Earth by saving trees, natural vegetation, natural resources, water and electricity. We can take measures for controlling environmental pollution and global warming. Global warming is rise in temperature. So these are the measures given how we can save earth. The very first is we should save tree. We should save plant and new trees. The scheme afforestation and reforestation should be wholeheartedly supported. Second one is save natural vegetation. We should use less paper. We can make arrangement for recycling of used paper and other natural products. Plant and trees cover and hold the surface of the earth firmly. Third one is save natural resources. We all know that the supply of natural resources such as minerals, stone, coal, etc. are limited, and we can save electricity by putting off the light when not in use, or we can switch to fan instead of air conditioner during nights. We can use carpool to reduce use of fuels. Fourth is save water. Water is life, so it is the basic necessity for every living things on this planet. We should stop throwing waste into open water bodies. At home, we can use water cautiously and ensure that it does not get wasted. Remember, a large number of people are still deprived of safe drinking water. Be the change that you want to see in this world. Save environment from pollution. Don't pollute water by throwing waste into water bodies. Minimize air pollution by reducing harmful emission. We can use less car, less machine, less electricity and less plastic goods. And we can use growing organic food also. Last one is save earth from global warming. Industries should regularly check that their machines are emitting smoke within permissible limits. Ensure that waste are discharged only after treatment. And things to remember from this chapter is things that we use are called resources. Water, air, soil, plants, and animals are natural resources, and all living things need water to live, so we must save it. All living things need air for breathing, so we should plant more trees. As tree gives us oxygen, we get many useful things from animal. We should be kind to animals. That's all.